Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes.
So let us see a problem on projectile motion. The question is, two guns are pointed at each other, one upwards with an angle of elevation of 30 degrees, the other at the same angle of depression. So they are facing each other. The inclined distance between the guns is given as 30 meters, and if the bullets leave from the guns with a velocity of 400 meter per second and 300 meter per second, we have to find when and where the bullets will meet. So 400 meter per second and 300 meter per second respectively means, in the question the first gun is that which is pointed upward, and the angle of elevation of it is 30 degrees. So the bullet that is coming from this first gun is having a velocity of 400 meter per second. The other gun which is pointed towards this first gun with an angle of depression again 30 degrees, the second gun, the bullet that comes out of it is having a velocity of 300 meter per second. So the figure is not given, so from the question we have to draw the figure. So let us start with drawing the diagram as a part of solution. So given that there is one gun, let that be at point A, let the other gun, the second gun be the bullet be coming from the second gun through point B. So the velocity of the bullet that comes out of gun A is given as 400 meter per second. The velocity of the bullet that comes from gun B is 300 meter per second, and also given that the angle of elevation of the first gun is 30 degrees, the angle of depression of the second gun is also 30 degrees. Another data that is given to us is the inclined distance between the two guns is 30 meters. So from the given data, this is the diagram that we can draw. Now let the bullets meet at a point, say M. Now the bullet has come from A, so it will take a projectile path, trajectory path. Say it will come down here. This is the path of the bullet that is coming from gun A. So similarly, let the bullet that comes from B also take a path like this. So both are meeting at a particular point. Let that point be, say, M. M is a point of meeting. So we have to find when and where they will meet. So when means it is a time, where means it is the in terms of distances. So let this particular height at which they are meeting from the ground be y, and we have to also find this value of x and this value of x. Let this be, say, point C. So the horizontal distance covered by bullet from A is x1. The horizontal distance covered by the bullet from B is x2. So they are meeting at y distance from the ground. All right. So let t be the time at which they are meeting. So the bullets meet at point M after time t. So let the bullets meet at M after a time t. The horizontal distance that is covered by bullet from gun A is x1 that can be given as ut cos alpha. U is the initial velocity, which here is 400. It is coming with a velocity of 400 meter per second. So it is 400 into t. T is something which we have to find. It's a variable and unknown. Cos 30, the angle of elevation. So 400 cos 30 into t is nothing but 346.41 t. So this is x1. So similarly, let us find the horizontal distance that is covered by the bullet from gun B. So that we have named as x2. So x2 is equal to u2 t cos alpha. I am using the same alpha. See, this u is for the velocity of bullet from first gun. So you can write it as u1 also, because 300 is not equal to 400. So I am naming them separately. Let this be say u1, let this be say u2, and let this be alpha 1, let this be alpha 2. But in this given case, alpha 1 and alpha 2 are same. So but otherwise we have to name them separately only. So here x2 is u2t cos alpha 2, but alpha 2 is also 30 degrees only, just like alpha 1. So u2 is given as 300 t cos 30. So 300 cos 30 into t will be 259.8 t. So we have obtained x2 and x1 in terms of t. Now we have x1, x2, t. There are three unknowns from these two equations. If this is one and this is second equation, in two equations we have three unknowns, x1, x2 and t. All the three are unknowns. So we want a third equation also. So from the figure we can write, because AC and BC are at right angles, so we have something like this. A to C is this line, C to B is this line, this is 90, this is given as 30, and this A to C is nothing but x1 plus x2. We can write x1 plus x2 as, this is 30, this is x1 plus x2, this is given as 30. So x1 plus x2 can be written as 30 cos 30. So this will be equal to 25.98. Because this is in meter, this also will be in meters. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 25.98 meters is the third equation. So now we have three equations and three unknowns. We can find all the three now. So let us substitute x1 and x2 from equation 1 and 2. x1 is 346.41 t. So substitute 1 and 2 in equation 3. So we have 346.41 t plus x2 is 259.8 t. This is equal to 25.98. So if we solve this, so this is 606.21 t is equal to 25.98, or t is equal to 25.98 divided by 606.21. So t is equal to 0.042856 seconds. So when are they meeting? They are meeting after 0.042 856 seconds. But where are they meeting? For which we have to know x1 or x2 and y. So because now we know value of t, you can find x1, x2, one of them or both of them, doesn't really matter. So now I am trying to find x1 because we know t. So t is 0.042856. So this multiplied by 346.41 will give us the value of x1. So this is coming out to be 14.8459 meters. So the value of x1 is known. Now from equation 2 or 3 you can find x2. I am not finding it. 1 is enough. So if I am considering point A as origin, I will say that from A they are meeting at 14.84 distance along x-axis or along the horizontal and some value vertical. So I will tell x1 and y. That is enough for position. If you are taking C, if you are considering C as your reference point or C as your origin, then you have to find x2. I am considering A as my reference point, so x1 is okay enough for me. So let us find the value of y. That will complete our problem. So y, the vertical distance, is given as u sine alpha. It is actually u1. I'm going to use the bullet of I'm going to use y with respect to the bullet that is coming from point A. So I'll be using u1 sine alpha 1 t minus half g t square. So u1 is nothing but 400, alpha 1 is 30. So this is multiplied by t. Value of t is 0.042856 minus 9.8 by 2. I'm roughly writing it as 4.9. I've taken 9.8. So this is multiplied by again t square, 0.042856 square. So if you solve this problem, we will be getting 8.562 meters. This is the value of y. So the answer will be like, hence the shots or I am using the word bullet because it is mentioned in the question. Hence the bullets will meet at a horizontal distance of x1, which is 14.8459, or you can round it up to 14.846 also, up to you. I'm keeping it as it is at a horizontal distance of 14.8459 meter. We have to mention from which gun it is. From gun A. If you are finding x2 and you want to write it in terms of x2, you have to write it as from gun B or from point C, and at a height 8.562 meters above the ground in 0.042856 seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this video was of help to you, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.